Archer Aviation is set to launch its Midnight aircraft in the UAE later this year, indicating progress towards commercial deployment. The company has secured over $1 billion in liquidity, making it financially strong within the industry. Along with forming strategic partnerships with major companies like Palantir for AI-driven aviation technology development, and working with ADRL for hybrid electric VTOL aircraft aimed at the U.S. and its allies' defense initiatives. Archer is also expanding manufacturing capabilities through operational facilities in Silicon Valley and Georgia to support production ramp-up. Scaling production is still in its early stages, with plans to reach 2 aircraft per month by the end of the year. Archer Aviation's CEO Adam Goldstein reiterated plans for launching in the UAE by the end of the year, emphasizing early commercial deployment and point-to-point operations. The company has been working closely with Abu Dhabi Aviation and plans to deliver an aircraft to the UAE for testing and route validation. On top of being on track with its UAE launch, the company has recently secured design approval for the first hybrid heliport in Abu Dhabi. Regarding the commercialization with Ethiopian Airlines, Adam Goldstein stated that there is significant interest from various countries and partners in their launch program, but they are currently balancing deliveries to launch customers with testing in California. More updates on this matter will be provided in the coming months and quarters. The potential revenue growth from their Launch Edition aircraft over the next few years focuses on early adopter markets. At the same time, Archer can learn from the capabilities of these aircraft in a safe environment. Regarding AI-based efforts, Adam Goldstein explains that they are building an aviation software platform in partnership with Palantir, aiming to scale manufacturing and develop future aviation infrastructure. They are also exploring ways to monetize their software with partners and the broader aviation industry. As for progress made on the hybrid VTOL program with Anduril, Adam Goldstein stated it has achieved several internal milestones and is expected to be an exciting part of their business. In New York City, Archer recently hosted an event outlining plans with United Airlines to connect Manhattan with nearby airports using their Midnight aircraft. The goal is to offer customers a faster alternative to driving by providing flights that only take 5 to 15 minutes, potentially saving them hours stuck in traffic. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.